your water 2 to 3 times a day for 7 days. If I call you and tell you that your tile is scheduled, you want to skip that day of watering to preserve the grout quality. Go ahead and pick up your watering again the following day after your tile is installed as usual and complete those 7 days. After your tile is put on, anywhere between the next week, the concrete crew can start the backfill and grading. So they will give me a phone call with their availability and I will pass that information along to you. If they are able to come out spontaneously, I will give you a phone call.